Okay, so Dan here, video number 2. We're gonna do an inside tour for the 10 units, which are 2 four-plexes, 1 duplex. And let's just go inside so we can see. Here's 1 duplex, 1 unit, 1 door, another one, and just behind it, facing the other way, are 2 more units, and then another building and another building. So let's check it out here. Still not completed. We are getting there. A little bit of a noise here. All right, so entering, kitchen over here. Obviously you can see that this area is, I guess, a bit of a dining area and maybe a living room over here. Entering first bedroom, which is the master, with shower, 2 sinks, hello, and the closet. Bit of a nice, bit kind of ceiling, and outside area, so also from the living room. So we have 1 bedroom on here. And before we go downstairs, I see, okay, so we have garage access, garage door opener, and we have a washer and dryer, linen closet, whole bath, and another bedroom over here. So we have 2 bedrooms upstairs, and the kitchen, of course. Okay. Garage is over there. Let's go downstairs. A bit noisy, but it is what it is. Okay. Interesting. 1 bedroom, common area. Oh, okay. So closet here, bedroom, big windows, not just well. That's awesome. Oh, okay. So that makes it a legal bedroom, a common area, another bath, full bath over here. That's awesome. And it's just storage. Gotcha. Wait. Ooh. Whoa.
Yeah, I had that.
So, I mean, you can't, there's no window around here.
There's no window. I mean, you could finish it for additional living space.
For additional living space.
But, yeah.
That's almost half of the basement here.
Yeah.
Just about.
They're about 1,700 square feet finished.
1,700, what's finished?
Finished, yeah, up and down.
So that's here area alone, another 500?
Yeah, probably.
Nice. Okay. We got the heating, water heater. Perfect.
Floor drain back up. That's why we got fans and stuff.
We got 8 feet ceiling here.
Yeah, they're 9 every place else.
Right, no, I mean with the lowest point.
Yeah.
Yeah, gotcha. Okay. Pretty big. All right.